Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys, for a new installment of everyday reviews, real life reviews. I'm not sure what I'm going to call this yet, but today we got the Walker digital low profile earmuffs. So we're going to do a little unboxing and quick review here. So we'll open it up, set you down here, get the Milwaukee fastback, get your tape open. Alright. Nice little clamshell plastic here. Get that out of the way. Let's see, in here we got, what do we got? Just some instructions here. I'll tell you. Alright, not bad. Get that out. We got our double A's, triple A's. Triple A's come with it there. And inside here we got our muffs, and these are beautiful, beautiful. So you can see I like the flying tiger's mouth there. My uncle was the flying tiger back in World War II, so a little tribute to him there. And just couldn't pass up the deal. 60 bucks at Cabela's. They sent me a $10 coupon, so 50 bucks for some of the best ear pro in the world. And they do the digital blackout, so we're going to try them out today. First, let's open them up, pop these batteries in here. Just show you guys, this cover just comes off, right like that. We'll get these batteries out here. Open these up. Got a little ASMR unboxing here for you. You can hear all the crinkling and the packaging. And then, alright, looks like they just go in right there, just like that. Out of the way. Pop it back on. Yeah. Nice. I don't see a left and right. I'd assume you'd want this knob on the right side so you can reach it, you know. And then this here comes out. You got a plug for, not sure if that's a microphone or like a two-way radio, or maybe you can even listen to music. I'm not really sure. I got your on and off. Let's see. Let's open this up and see what that's for. See what it says. Got instructions. We might as well read them, right? Open this up here for you guys. Let's see. Power audio. Yeah, so right there, that is an audio jack. So, not a microphone. It's audio in. So that's interesting. So we'll try them out. Maybe we'll do another review here after we get them. Let me try them on real quick. They do fit amazing, and they got these squishy. It's like a cool gel, really nice for hot days, keep you quiet. So yeah, we'll test them out, and maybe we'll do like a 90-day review or something. All right, that's it. Quick unboxing. Razer Pro by Walkers. All right, see you in the next one.